What you need to say doubles. Does the volume just double too? Nope. It becomes 8 times bigger. That's the key idea behind scale factor and volume. Here's the problem. We have two similar solids. The scale factor is 2 to 1, and the smaller volume is 50 cubic centimeters. We need the larger volume. First, be careful. That 2 to 1 scale factor only describes the side lengths. It does not describe the volume directly. Now here's why volume changes so fast. Volume is three-dimensional. A solid grows in length, width, and height all at the same time. Picture a small cube with side length 1. Now double every edge, so the new cube has side length 2. Across the front, 2 small cubes fit. Upward, 2 fit again. And going deep into the screen, 2 fit there too. So the large cube is built from 2 times 2 times 2 small cubes. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. That's why doubling side lengths gives 8 times the volume. The scale factor gets multiplied 3 times because there are 3 dimensions. This becomes the rule for similar solids. Volume ratio equals the scale factor cubed. So if the scale factor is 2, the volume ratio is 2 cubed. 2 cubed equals 8. That means the larger solid has 8 times the volume of the smaller solid. Now solve the problem. Smaller volume equals 50 cubic centimeters. Multiply by 8. 50 times 8 equals 400. So the larger volume is 400 cubic centimeters. Final takeaway. In one dimension, scale by k. For area, scale by k squared. For volume, scale by k cubed, because volume uses length, width, and height. Double the sides and the volume explodes by 8.